Hello everyone, my name is Jian and welcome to our channel. This is our third video on C language. So today's topic is format specifiers and taking input from the users, right? So first of all, we see the format specifiers means we have used that means like like percentage D, percentage F and percentage C. These are called format specifiers. A percentage D is denote integer. Percentage F denote float. Float means what? Decimal value. And C denotes char. Right. What is meant by format specifier? Format specifier declare that the given variable is a type of integer or float or character, right? We are use that in print function to print a variable. We will see in this video. Now how to take input from user and why we need to take input from user. Why? Because if you see in Instagram, if you want to search anyone's account, then you need to type his name or his uh, username of Instagram. So how to take input? Here is come scanf. Means with the help of scanf function, we can take input from the user in the C language, right? The syntax of scanf is like this: scan f bracket double and comma, then format specifier. Let's take the input of percent integer, then therefore a percentage D, then double and comma close, and then comma, and then comma, and then add amp, right? Amp, I will tell you what is amp. And after amp, the variable in which you want to store the data, right? If you want to store in data like variable in a, then type a and bracket close and semicolon. Simple. Yeah. So what is amp? Amp is a sign that denotes the address of variable in C. If means if you write amp a, then this denotes the address of a. Means in our memory there are lots of space. There are lots of space present. Means where you want to store the value, right? The address of that place. Means if you want to deliver any package to a customer, then you need to get the address of that person, right? Like that, if you want to store in data in a variable, then you need to find out the address of that variable to deliver that data. For that we use amp, right? So let's try this on a compiler. So first of all, create file, new source file, then type here our syntax, how to start the code. Hash include stdio.h, next line. What is our next line? Into main, then, right? Simple. Now here we can write our program. First of all, declare a variable. Let's try with int, because int is like simple. For declare variable, first of all write the type of data, right? Int, then declare variable. Let's try with g, then semicolon. Now if you want to store data, then you need to use scan function, as we see on a board. So scanf bracket, then double into comma, type percentage d, because g, we want to get the data of g and the type of g is int. For int, which format specifier we use? Percentage d, right? After that, give comma after double into comma, then amp. Why we use amp? Because we want to get the address of that variable to store the data. For find address, we use the symbol amp. Therefore amp, then name of variable. What is the name of variable? G, then semicolon, right? Now let's try to execute this. Now run this code. Look, no error is found, so we can give the value here. There is no error, the code is executed, right? There is no printf function, इसलिए हम कौन सा नंबर प्रिंट हुआ है ये नहीं देख सकते, इसलिए हम नीचे प्रिंट फंक्शन लगाते हैं. उसके लिए printf, then semicolon में we write a message, we have scanned variable g equal to percentage d format specifier, then comma and variable name g. Here while printing we do not need to give the address. Only for scan we need to give the address of variable. Now semicolon. Now execute this. Type in number 7. Look, we have scan variable g equal to 7, right? We are not able to understand where we need to give the input, therefore we need to type a message like printf here, enter the value of g, space and semicolon. Now run this. Look, now here we are getting the message that saying that enter the value of g, means we are now understand easily to where we need to give the data, right? Now here type ended 4. Let's try 4 and enter. Look, both printf scanf are executed, means first integer, then printf, then scanf, then printf. Here we need to include return 0. It's mandatory thing, right? Means it's good practice to write a return 0 at the end of program if we writing int. I will tell you this in next video, right? Now this is a scan function, it's very easy. Now let's try with scanning f float. For this, first of all declare a variable float, let's get h, then now scan f. Now we need to give us format specifier, which one? Percentage f for floor, percentage f, then comma, then which sign for giving the address, right, ampersand, then variable name h, then semicolon, right. Now print this, printf we have scan variable h equal to percentage d format space percentage f format specifier, then comma, and variable name. What is our variable name? H, semicolon. We can give a message where the user need to input, give the input. Let's copy this. Copy pasting is a good practice, I think so. And enter the value of g. Instead of g we take h. Now run this. Look here, enter the value of g 5 and enter the value of h 1.98 something, enter. Look here, we need to take %/n to print in new row. So here I will type /n. Now this will give the input in next line. 2, then enter the value of h 8.453, right? Yeah. So try the scan of character with your own idea. It's not a difficult thing, it's easy. So that's all for video. If you like this video, do like, comment, share. If you have any doubt, let's ask in comment. Thank you.